The human eye is no longer able to keep pace with the demands of expanding production. The demand for automated solutions in logistics, automotive, construction, food and pharma business continues to grow rapidly. Konica Minolta's video analytics software, FORXAI, combines digital vision with machine learning abilities. Complicated design processes are a nightmare for quality control. It's almost impossible for the human brain to analyze every aspect with an unwavering level of attention. The Assembly Quality Inspection AI solution will ensure the smooth and high-quality production of even the most complex products. This essentially eliminates the need to rework or cycle faulty products. For more information, visit our website or contact your local Konica Minolta sales outlet.